Senses. There are 5 senses: sight, smell, hearing, touch, and taste. Today we're going to talk about the sense of smell. Do you know what animal has the best sense of smell? If you don't worry. Keep on watching and you will find out it soon. A nose. This is a nose. I've got one nose. I use my nose to smell. I can smell. I can smell with my nose. What can you smell? I can smell a strawberry. The strawberry smells good. It smells good. What can you smell? I can smell a dirty sock. The dirty sock smells bad. It smells bad. What can you smell? I can smell a flower. The flower smells pleasant. It smells pleasant. What can you smell? I can smell blue cheese. The blue cheese smells unpleasant. It smells unpleasant. What can you smell? I can smell cupcakes. Yummy. The cupcakes smell nice. They smell nice. What can you smell? I can smell rubbish bins. Yucky. The rubbish bins smell awful. They smell awful. Do you know that humans can distinguish more than 10,000 smells? But animals have more powerful sense of smell than humans. So what's the animal that has the best sense of smell? Is it a fox? Is it a wolf? Is it an elephant? And the answer is an elephant. The elephants have the longest nose in the world, but it's also the best smeller. For more videos, follow my channel.